Hi, welcome with Cooking with Carlina, or should I say Cooking with Melina. As you guys know, I'm Carlina's mom, and today we'll be demonstrating how to use the air fryer baguette. What I'm going to be doing is making blueberry and oatmeal and raisin cookies. So let's get started. Okay, so what I've done is prepared the dough, and you can go to the coconut tart video, episode 3. So what we're going to do is go ahead and roll it out. Always make sure you have some flour to flour the rolling pin. Okay, and what I'm using is a cup. Make some nice circles. Put those on the side. Get some more rolled out. Okay, then we have the air fryer container. What we're going to do for this though is we're going to put just a little foil paper into the bottom, not to dry it out too much. Okay. We're going to take a teaspoon of blueberry. We're going to seal the edges all the way around. Keep doing that. Okay. What we'll go ahead and do is put a little bit of oil on the bottom so they don't stick. Get some more rolled out. All right, we've gotten about 5 in there. Give it a little bit of spritz. Okay, we're gonna set this for 10 minutes at 360. All right, so we have the blueberries, 10 minutes. What we're gonna do now is we have some of that dough left over. Got some oatmeal, it's about 2 tablespoons, and then 1 ounce of raisins. Put that together using the same dough. We're just gonna mix that in together. I'm taking, make little balls. Okay, I'm gonna put them back into the baguette. For the oatmeal raisin cookies, we're gonna go ahead and put them on for 10 minutes at 360. All right, let's see. We have the oatmeal raisin cookies. I love the air fryer. Fast, easy. So for this and other recipes, don't forget to go to www.cookingwithcarlina.